Don't even think about boiling eggs in this pot anymore. And never fry eggs this boring, traditional way again. Today, I will show you how to boil eggs without a pot. The eggs will look beautiful and be easy to peel after boiling. And a tip for frying eggs that are incredibly beautiful and delicious. Chicken eggs are one of the most popular foods in the world. But few people know that eggs bought directly from the farm often still have dirt, straw, or even a little chicken droppings on the surface of the shell. Eggs bought at the supermarket are usually much cleaner. They have already been cleaned, and each one has a unique code printed on it to control their origin and quality. To use the eggs from this farm, we need to clean them. In this video, I will show you how to clean eggs and how to boil eggs without a pot. First, I put the eggs in a bowl. After putting all the dirty eggs into the bowl, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the bowl. Then I poured clean water in. Stir gently with a spoon until the powder dissolves evenly in the water, then soak the eggs for 5 minutes. Baking soda helps soften dried-out residue on the outside of the eggshell, making subsequent cleaning easier without scrubbing too hard and cracking the shell. After soaking for the required time, I used a soft brush, added a little toothpaste, and gently brushed around the surface of the shells. Toothpaste contains mild cleaning ingredients and fine particles that help remove dirt without scrubbing too hard. Additionally, the mild minty scent of toothpaste helps reduce the lingering fishy smell on the eggshells after being stored for a long time in the farm environment. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below and tell me if eggs in your area need to be washed. It's great that we can connect from all over the world. A small note for you regarding this egg washing step. I usually only wash eggs right before use to best preserve their freshness and natural quality. So once you've cleaned the eggs, you should cook them immediately. Before you begin, dry these eggs. To boil eggs without a pot, you need to bring about 2 liters of water to a boil. After I prepare, I get a thermos flask. I prefer one that holds about 2 liters of water. Then I open the lid and added 100 milliliters of boiling water to the bottle. Now close the lid and shake gently. This step helps you clean the thermos and warm the outside of the thermos before putting the eggs inside. After heating the outer casing of the flask, pour out the water inside. Then, one by one, drop all the washed eggs inside. You need to drop them very gently to avoid breaking the eggshells. Then, I continued to pour boiling water into the pot. And quickly close the lid to prevent heat loss. Finally, I hung it on a hook. You can also bring this vase to your workplace or living room. With this method, you only need to let the eggs sit in the jar for 20 minutes, and they will be cooked. The next day, I took the thermos off the hook. By then, the eggs inside were cooked. I opened the lid and took out the eggs. When the eggs were taken out, they were still piping hot, as if they had just been boiled. This method is perfect for office workers or housewives who want hot eggs anytime, anywhere. I soaked the eggs in cold water to make the shells easier to peel. When peeling the egg, the shell doesn't stick at all. At this point, the eggs are perfectly cooked with a soft, creamy yolk in the center and the egg whites gently set. This is an incredibly convenient way to boil eggs without needing an extra pot or constantly watching the stove. Give it a try. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Don't leave this video just yet. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dish using these eggs. I put all the eggs into a bowl. Instead of using a knife to chop each potato into small pieces as usual, I use a potato masher. I simply treat the eggs like soft potatoes, then slowly press them down. You can see the egg whites and yolks quickly become finely mashed, fluffy, and smooth in just a few seconds. This method not only saves time, but also helps the filling have a nicer and more uniform texture. After the eggs were mashed, I added about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons mustard, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a little pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt. Then mix well with a spoon. Next, I prepared 2 loaves of bread and used a knife to cut each loaf in half. Then put the egg salad inside. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below and tell me if eggs in your area need to be washed. It's great that we can connect from all over the world. Finally, I sprinkled some dried basil on top to enhance the aroma and make it more appealing to eat. And now everything is ready. The soft, light bread combined with the creamy egg salad, subtly flavored with mustard and basil, creates a simple yet incredibly delicious sandwich. Tip 2. First, I place a food bag on top of a bowl. Then I carefully separated the yolk directly by gently passing it back and forth between the 2 halves of the eggshell. This method allowed the egg white to flow down naturally while the yolk retained its shape. I gradually added the egg yolks inside. Add 1 teaspoon of salt inside. Next, add a little flour. Then place the pan on the stove. Returning to the food pouch, mix the eggs and flour thoroughly until well combined. Once the pan was hot enough, I cut a small corner off the tip of the pouch and gently squeezed out small balls of the egg mixture onto the pan. You can see that the egg mixture sets very quickly with almost no oil needed. The small, slightly puffed up egg pieces look quite interesting. I gently flipped it over to ensure even cooking, then transferred it to a plate. The finished product looks like cute little mini egg snacks, soft, light, and with a very appealing yellow color. I think children will definitely love this simple snack. So today I've shared some simple egg tips with you, hoping they'll save you a lot of time in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more interesting, delicious, and healthy recipes every day. See you in the next videos.